Welcome back. Transmission day. Moment of truth. What we've been building up to this entire time. You already saw me take it out. Going in should be the easier part. It's got to line her up. Get her to go into the shift boot decently well and not tear everything apart. But nothing else to do but get at her. So let's do it. It's in third gear.
Third gear.
Yeah, third gear is the best way to finagle her. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of shimmy whoop in there. So I guess we'll pull it back. I gotta apply the little splines
Grease.
lube on there.
Yeah.
And yeah, nothing else but I'll have to get her over the hump.
Hugs that.
Yeah, it literally like is perfectly kind of centered with that. Let me get this on real quick. Yep. Why did they put a pull tab on there if it's not going to work?
It didn't work.
No.
Shows your level of skill.
They don't give you very much, do they?
Now you're putting it all in one spine.
Well, you know.
Put it towards the front where it enters.
They could give you a little bit more than.
Yeah, you're right. They gave you like 3 drops. Here.
I mean, we got clean gloves on, so.
That.
I mean, it's better than nothing, right?
Nah, that'll be perfect. You don't want too much, I guess.
I don't think there's. See if we can get any more out of it. Oh, I got a little bit more there. All right, got a little bit more. Okay, so now we'll lift it into the car. Now you gotta be very careful. I hope this thing does it. Takes a second. There it goes.
Nice soft pedal. Whoa.
Yeah, she takes her time to get up there. It's not the best jack.
Yeah, at least you got one.
It's
on your shoulder.
So far it's working, but before it didn't work for me. I don't know if it's because it's cold, it's able to build the pressure a little easier.
Yeah.
Because last time I did this, it was real hot.
I can see how thicker fluid would help you.
Yeah, turn that a little bit. So the only thing that I see, if I remember correctly, is we just gotta make sure this is the tough one to get in place there.
The vent?
No, the one connector.
Yeah. Well, it'll be fine since you got the thing out of the way, whatever that is.
Oh,
At first
yeah,
you
you're
said
right.
that was for your.
Yeah, I was wrong.
speedometer,
I was wrong on that one.
It's for the clutch, right?
Yeah. Oh, I guess we're a little off center here.
A little bit. The light's a little blinding.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
There you go.
Alright.
You try to give yourself a nice viewpoint. All right.
The second level.
This is the part that was rusted last time. Oh? Oh my God.
You better hurry up before this thing warms up.
Right? How we looking?
We could go forward a little bit. We got
let's get it up there a little bit more. Let's shock this thing's actually holding pressure right now. Alright, this is where it's gonna start getting fun.
Yeah, it looks like it.
So, hold on. Line her up. Alright, keep her going up a little. died here, so sorry, but you didn't miss much. It was going to be sped up footage anyways of us getting the transmission into its little cubby. So now we're going to torque everything down properly. But ultimately, it's a pain in the butt. You got to line everything up right, make sure your splines are in there, you grease it right, and you got to give her a couple attempts to really get in there. It took us quite a while to get this thing lined up. It's a pain. It does help when you have a proper transmission jack that doesn't lose pressure. That is something I would recommend keeping on a good standard. But other than that, we're going to torque this down, and the transmission's bolted in, and then we're going to try to get the support in, call it there for the night, because it takes a while to do this crap. But that's what you missed. Sorry, the camera just didn't want to cooperate with us. I do enjoy when a good idea works.
Now, are you gonna make a video about the flat tire you got?
Yeah, maybe. But I think that's about it for tonight.
I think so too.
So, progress for today. This video probably is not a great video because I was pretty focused on getting this thing back together, but you saw me take it all apart. But ultimately, we got the transmission in, which is the biggest thing, and we got the support for it in, which is also a huge thing. So now, drive shaft, we're going to do all the U-joints on it. While it's out, you just might as well. It just makes sense. And then after that, plug everything back in and some bolts. Starter. Fluid.
Did you drain any of the fluid
I
out of
didn't.
this?
Right here is the drain port, but I have read online that pretty much you don't get this drain out.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So is this the fill port?
Yes.
Fill to spill?
Yep.
Does it have to be running?
No.
Okay.
So we can attempt to.
Yeah, just a light attempt. I got a nice set of
Oh, I got those. Don't worry. I got that. Remember?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you were there with me.
Yeah, I think I was. I remember now.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very shiny. Try to keep that way. All right, let me end this off. We're done. So anyways, everything's pretty much wrapped up down here. Bolted together, slid in. It's a pain. Be patient with it. I recommend having enough time where you can get your C-beam in as well, just because it makes it a lot easier to support that tranny, so it's not just dangling there. You have to leave it on supports, because obviously without that, the whole rear kind of skips down. I just want to go on record and say I have never done a manual transmission, so if any of this is not right, I apologize, but I also have not said that I would trust my advice in the first place. This is me doing the work. Well, obviously Rico's here too. just to gain the knowledge as best as I can on how to do it and hope that it runs and drives for a long time. Unfortunately, if I do something wrong, then I also have to go and eat my words and fix everything I just did, which I really don't want to. But overall, it's been a fun experience doing the manual transmission, and I'm not done yet. So hopefully within the next week or two, I can finally wrap this thing up and get it moving again, because I got some other things I would like to work on as well. So we're getting there though. But thanks for watching, and I hope you tune in next time.